So today, as a non-profit in a world dominated by big AI models from companies like Google or OpenAI, so what's this OpenCV main strategic purpose?
So the main thing, we feel that there are certain areas that are best handled by large companies like OpenAI, but there is a ton of other places where OpenCV dominates, right? For example, simple image read-write. So we have the right infrastructure in place to read-write images. If you want to do low-level computer vision like edge detection, you want to do computational photography, stitching, etc., image alignment, those things, even today, they represent about 30-40% of the work in any computer vision solution. So there is the model that does the heavy lifting, which we can say that 60% to 65% of the work will be done by one or two models, deep learning based models. But then before that, you have to pre-process the image, you have to align the images sometimes. All those things, if you look at the computer vision pipeline, we still need OpenCV for 30 to 40% of the work. And that's where we dominate, right? And also making things efficient. So on various platforms, if people can simply focus on writing code, not worry about what kind of optimization they need to do, that's where we come in, right? So we are basically bridging the gap, and these are all open source solutions, so we can coexist, right? And the other important thing to keep in mind is that when 20 years back, OpenCV was the only library present, right? We dominated, but the pie was also small, right? Now there are several players, but the pie is much bigger. And even if we are a small piece of the pie, in the usage of OpenCV is the biggest ever, right? So we are downloaded about 1 million times a day, right? That's quite a lot of
times
usage.
A day.
So I feel that it's a ecosystem where we will coexist with other players, and we do our part, they'll do their part, and together it will be a very rich ecosystem.